guys, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
And lots of fun toys.
Yes.
The most important part.
Why you're here, isn't it?
That is why they're here. Okay, Paul, pick a toy.
Okay,
Wait. Oh, do you feel like that's what somebody was hoping you'd open first?
I think so. I think there's somebody out there that's going, please open the Disney Tsum Tsum Figural keyring.
Cool.
I've actually met several people that I always ask, what's your favorite toy that that we open? And I've actually had several people say that Figural keyrings.
Yep, because they're awesome.
They are. Okay, so here's who we have. This is Series 3. Today I would like to get, let's see, Cinderella. I think I'd like to have Cinderella. Hey, I got her.
Good job.
She is really cute. I love her big blue eyes. They match her dress.
Yep,
Very
she's
cute.
pretty.
It'd be really cool if she didn't have one shoe on. That would be cute.
That would be neat.
Okay.
Okay, that was a good start. I'm going to start with Kidrobot Yummy World Tasty Treats. So these are all food-related items. They're really cool. I usually always want that cookie, so he'd be good to get. But if we don't get the cookie, I want the hot dog.
Okay. I'll say I want the pancake or the chocolate ice cream sandwich.
Okay. Ooh, we have a chocolate dipped strawberry. He's a rare one, isn't he? Yeah, 1 out of 24.
Yes, chocolate dipped strawberries, 1 out of 24.
He's so cute. I love the little chocolate puddle around the bottom of him.
That's neat. Okay.
That's what happens when you make chocolate dipped strawberries.
Yes, it is.
They puddle up like that.
Okay, this is a Shopkins Easter basket. These were exclusive and only available during Easter time. But we still have a few, and I'm still looking for a Googie limited edition. Shannon got one, but I would like to get one too.
Good luck. I hope you get one.
Thank you. Let's see. Who did we get?
You got 2 blind bags.
I do have 2 blind bags. Okay, I did get a Googie, but this is not the limited edition. This is the 80 Zigzaggy Purple Goo Googie.
Purple Googie.
That's right. He's going to ride Cinderella. Oh, and we have Shady. I thought that was Tony Topper, but it's Shady. She is really cute. And let's see, let's move Googie back. Put Shady right there.
That's just silly.
Yep.
Okay, let's open in PJ Masks. This is Series 1. There are a lot of different cool figures in this collection. I like how many different figures you can get. Today, I would like to get Connor.
I would like Owlette.
You want Owlette. Oh, I have Catboy.
Catboy. Wow.
Catboy in crouching position.
Yes.
Ready to pounce boy.
Yeah.
Wow.
He is really cool.
He is cool. I like all the stripes on his outfit.
Okay. Disney Cars 3. Mashems. Or Fashions, whatever you want to call them. I guess these are Mashems, because it says it right there. Today, I would like to get... Let's see. Luigi. Oh, we got Mater.
Tomater.
Hey, everybody. It's your good buddy, Tomater. How y'all doing? I hope you're doing good, and I hope you give this video a big thumbs up.
It's a squishy mater.
These are squishy. Yeah, that's not good. You don't want a squishy tomato. But a squishy tomato is okay.
I don't know. You don't want a squishy tow truck, though. It's going to have a hard time pulling your vehicle.
Yeah, it probably would.
All right. So, Paul already got a Cinderella, and I think to go with that Cinderella... Whoa, cool. She lost her hat. I think we need to open this one. This is a Funko Pop figure number 222. That's a good number, 222.
Yes, it is.
It's a Walmart exclusive, and it looks pretty cool. There's a bunch that you can get. We're trying to find all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and take her out of the package right now while Paul opens something, and then I'll show you what she looks like.
Okay, I think I'll open up the Crossy Road. These are Disney Crossy Road figures. They are really cool. Here's a checklist. I'll use that to see what rarity our figure is.
That's a pony.
Rarity is a pony. I hope I get somebody from Lion King.
I was gonna say Toy Story, but
Okay, well, you would have been
I saw
right.
it as I was thinking it, so.
You would have been right. We got Buzz Lightyear. He is awesome. So the figures that need them come with little stands, and I really like that. That way you can stand your figure up with no fear of them falling down.
It's kind of a big hat for Buzz.
It's okay. I think he can pull it off.
I think Tomater would look cute with a hat. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
That's perfect.
There we go.
Okay, here's Cinderella. So she's super cool because
Yeah.
the gowns on the girls in this collection have that like crystally, translucent kind of crystally look.
Yeah.
They look like ice, just colored ice to me. And then she is sparkly and glittery on the rest of her dress and gloves, and even her earrings and headband are nice and glittery. So she's just really cute. I like the position that she's in too, kind of holding her dress up like she's about to curtsy
Yeah.
or dance without tripping over her shoes. Because we all know Cinderella cannot keep her shoes on her feet.
That's right. Okay, let's get Cinderella an escort to the dance. Batman. Walking candy dispenser. So Shannon saw this at the store and picked him up. Thought he was cute.
He's cute.
I want to see him walk and dispense candy. Here is Batman. He looks awesome.
He does.
So there he is. He's got this little trap door in the back of his head that you open up. It looks like that's where you load the candy in. So let's do that. These are big candies. These look like lemon head size. Okay, we are going to wind him up. Okay, he winds up on that side. Let's set him down.
Oh no! He shoots candy out of his cape. Well, he shoots 2 candies out of his cape. He doesn't work very good.
No, he walks good.
He walks good. Whoa!
Oh, no.
Sorry, Batman.
He's like, hey, Shannon. What gives?
I don't know. Wind him up again.
Try him again.
He got rid of 2 candies.
He did.
Oh, there goes more.
2.
He only likes to give 2 at a time.
Yeah, just 2 at a time, I guess.
Where you going, Batman?
Come to the Batmobile.
He's winding down.
Yep.
Okay, so he's a really cool walking toy.
He is.
Candy dispensing,
Not so much.
but the walking part is really cool, and
Yep.
he looks great with Cinderella.
He does.
That's Paul and I. Paul and me.
Yes.
Paul and Shannon, right there.
Yep, right there.
Okay, I'm gonna open a Hello Kitty costume collection blind bag figure. I hope we get the ninja to go with Batman, because she would
Ooh,
look good
yeah.
with Batman. Oh, we did not get her. We have the dinosaur. Roar. This is a really cool figure. I like the little, like, claws.
Yeah.
Cool. Will you put her by Tomater, please?
Yep, I will. Okay, troll time. This is series 3. I'm hoping to get Cooper. Let's see who's in here
Cooper
today.
Pooper?
I don't think it's Cooper. Got hair.
Oh,
I got Branch.
yay, Branch.
Hey, Branch. So that's one of the different branches. It's very cute. Like his big blue hair. He's going to go by Catboy.
All right, will you hand me the Hatchimals, please?
I will.
So this is a Hatchimals 2-pack. Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.
It has 2 surprise eggs inside, plus 1 nest. You can collect over 70 different Hatchimals. Let's see if we can find a limited edition or a new one for our collection today. Okay, here is the nest. Super important. We also have 2 eggs. Paul, pick an egg. We have a pink one and a blue one.
I'll take this one.
Oh, you're taking the pink one.
Yep.
Okay, you want to go first?
Sure. I'll go first. So I have the pink one.
Warm it up.
All right. It's pink. It's now ready to hatch. Let me break it all the way around.
Ooh, that one's hard to break open.
It is.
Must be something good.
Ooh, it's
Oh,
a little mouse. And let's see, I think the mouse is from the garden. It is. It's from the garden.
very cute.
Little garden mouse with glittery wings. Very cute. Hard to get rid of those, though.
Yes. Okay, here's mine. Let me go ahead and warm it up and get it ready to hatch. I love the color changing feature on these.
Yeah.
So cool. Okay, here we go. Oh, we have a really cute one. I think this one's from the river.
That is.
It's a little blue hippo.
Little river hippo.
This is Happy Hippo?
Happy hippo.
Henrietta?
Happy hippo.
Harry? It should be Harry. Harry the
Harry
hippo.
hippo.
I'm Harry.
Okay.
Oh, the little hippo's adorable. He has a little pink tummy.
That's Matthew Mouse.
Matthew Mouse?
Matthew Mouse. Yep.
And Harry Hippo?
Yep. Those
Cool.
are both commons.
So there are all the toys from this video. Let's take a better look once again so we can pick favorites. Don't forget Googie taking a ride on Cinderella and Tomater wearing a hat. You're very shady, Tomater. All right.
Can't help it.
There are all the toys once again. Paul, do you have a favorite?
I have to go with Tomater wearing shady.
That's pretty awesome. Okay, I like that pick. I would like to pick the little hippo, but I have to go with Cinderella.
Okay,
I think
that's good
she's
pick.
super pretty.
She is.
Okay, what about you guys? What did you like the best? Go ahead and let us know down in the comments. And while you're down there commenting, make sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
See you later.